Have you ever wondered how a nation of over 270 million people, representing hundreds of ethnic groups and languages, can coexist peacefully? In the midst of the world's largest archipelago, Indonesia, the world's fourth most populous nation, is doing just that. Indonesia, a country with a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and religions, has been making strides in improving interreligious relations. This is not just a matter of national importance, but a global example of harmonious coexistence. In recent years, Indonesia has been fostering a culture of mutual respect and understanding among its diverse religious communities. The majority Muslim country has been actively promoting interfaith dialogues, encouraging religious literacy, and ensuring the protection of minority religious rights. These efforts have not gone unnoticed. International observers, human rights groups, and religious leaders worldwide have lauded Indonesia's proactive approach to interreligious harmony. In a world increasingly divided by religious and cultural differences, Indonesia's commitment to unity and diversity stands out. The government, civil society, and religious leaders are working hand in hand to ensure that every citizen, regardless of their faith, feels valued and respected. In a particularly noteworthy event, religious leaders from across the archipelago came together for a historic interfaith dialogue. The gathering, which included representatives from Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and traditional faiths, resulted in a joint declaration of commitment to peaceful coexistence and religious tolerance. But it's not just about high-level dialogues and declarations. From the bustling streets of Jakarta to the serene villages of Bali, everyday Indonesians are living out this commitment to harmony. Schools are teaching religious literacy, communities are celebrating each other's religious festivals, and people are standing up against religious intolerance. In summary, Indonesia's efforts to improve interreligious relations serve as a beacon of hope for a world grappling with religious conflict and intolerance. The country's commitment to fostering a culture of mutual respect and understanding among its diverse religious communities is not just a national success story but a global example. These events underscore the significance of promoting interreligious harmony, not just for Indonesia, but for the world. In an era of increasing polarization, these efforts remind us that unity and diversity is not just a lofty ideal, but a practical and achievable reality.